Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to install Eclipse for Windows. Let's get into the video. In Google, type Eclipse IDE and give it to search. You will get this new window. Here click on the URL provided by the www.eclipse.org. You will get a official website of Eclipse IDE. On top right corner, download button is provided. Click on the download button. New window will open. Here the download option for Eclipse IDE is provided. Click on the download. It will redirects to a new page. There also download button is provided. Click on the download button. The file gets started to download. Now you can see the downloaded file. Double click on that file. You will get this new window. Here all the IDE available in Eclipse are listed. You will see so many like C, C++, Java, web development. All these IDEs are available here. To install Java IDE. Once click on that Java IDE, you will get this new window. Here you can change the installation folder path. Otherwise you can use default folder path. Here I am going to use default folder path. Click on the install button. The installation process begins. You need to wait until the installation process complete. After successful installation, you will see a launch button. Click on that launch button. Here it asks for workspace folder. You can change the workplace folder path. Once the workplace folder path is set, click on the launch button. This window shows the successful installation of the Eclipse IDE in Windows. This is the welcome page of Eclipse IDE Java. Now software is ready to use. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.